Hi, I'm Joe Lord at night. Hi, I'm Joey Lord. I got red wine on the carpet. I gotta act fast. No, you don't. You don't have to act fast. You don't have to act at all. This is a free tip from Joey Lord. And this is Vertical Video. Important thing is, no sense crying over spilled raspberries. There's also no sense picking them up right away. I had a raspberry spill. It's not my first. At a certain point, you know what to do. You let them dry. You go and you try to clean it up wet, you're going to have raspberry hands. I like to put a week between the day of the spill and the day of the clean. Everything dries with time. Things don't get wetter. They do get drier. When it comes to cleaning up after yourself, when it comes to taking care of a spill, don't be stupid. Don't just throw your back out trying to get something clean. There's a little thing called a raisin. And I don't be embarrassed if you're learning this from me, because I learned it from someone myself at some point. But a raisin is made from a grape and a little bit of time. You just gotta let that raisin dry to becoming a raisin. Now, I've never dried a raspberry. Oh shit! I've been stepping on these. The longer I stay, I'm making more of a mess stepping on them here. Trying to do this narration. I'm trying to educate, but yeah, and I was wearing socks too. Nah, I say, damn it. I would never intentionally clean a mess just wearing socks. You're gonna want scrap to work without. Yeah, it's a big. I got a big one here, but. Prop and drop, and you'll see why in a second here. Now it's gonna be hard to. I gotta get this door stopper. Whew. Now it's all right to catch your breath. Not through a prop it. You're gonna prop it up. You're gonna drop it straight down. Try to line it up so that you can imagine as we drive it here. Oh yeah, right on top. So it's propped, and then just let it drop. All right, and then in my case, I'm just gonna lift her up. All right. She's ready to dry. All right, we got a little bit. All right. Well, I mean, actually. Now, in my case, hopefully you'll have the same fortune I have here. That's one right there. And you know what? Do the work right. Come on, Joey. And then there's two. That's gonna right on top. Take care to make sure that you're not touching any of these edges, but you're really placing. Now that's something to be proud of. This is gonna let it dry. It's gonna dry like this. I do love this moment on any job where you, as yourself, right here in this moment, your job's done. You done good work, and it's a week from now, Joey, that's gonna take care of the rest of this, and it's I'm not gonna film it. I don't want to wait to put the video out there, but you can imagine that's gonna And I'm gonna come right in here and clean up with just like a broom and a dustpan, probably. It's a little bit dry. You know, they say everything in this life can be bought with money, but not Joey Lort. This is a free tip. Well, I've been Joey Lort for Vertical Videos. You're welcome in advance.